Are you looking for a high-quality tech product at the best price? Welcome to our channel. Today, we are reviewing an amazing product that is becoming very popular among buyers around the world. If you are planning to buy a reliable and useful product for your home, office, gaming setup, or professional work, then this video will help you make the right decision. This product is one of the best-selling items in its category and has already received many positive reviews from satisfied customers. People love it because of its strong performance, premium design, useful features, and affordable price compared to other similar products available on the market. One of the biggest advantages of this product is its excellent build quality. It is made with durable materials that are designed to last for a long time. Whether you use it every day for work, entertainment, gaming, content creation, or personal use, it provides stable and reliable performance. Another great reason why many people choose this product is its smart and user-friendly features. It is designed to save your time, improve your experience, and help you achieve better results with less effort. This makes it a perfect choice for both beginners and professional users. If you are someone who always looks for the best value for money, then this product is definitely worth considering. Instead of spending more money on expensive alternatives, you can get excellent performance and premium quality at a much more reasonable price. Many international buyers also prefer this product because it comes with worldwide shipping and trusted seller support. This gives extra confidence when ordering online, especially on platforms like AliExpress, where product quality and seller reputation are very important. Before buying any product, it is always important to check customer feedback, ratings, and real user experiences. This product has already proven itself with strong sales numbers and positive buyer responses, which makes it a safer and smarter purchase decision. If you are interested in buying this product, you can find the product link in the description. If this video helped you, please support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more honest product reviews every single day. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.